Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to explain the fraud protection features that Lendingclub uses to keep your money safe. It's going to be a quick video, so let's get into it. The first is real-time transaction monitoring. Now, every transaction is analyzed in real time. If Lendingclub detects unusual spending patterns like, charges in a foreign country or an odd purchase type, you may get a security alert or a temporal hold on your card. Next is multi-layer security. Encryption. All your data and activities are secured with bank-grade encryptions. Next is the two-factor authentication. This, of course, adds a second layer of identity verification. And, of course, you have the biometrics login, which is a Face ID or Touch ID that helps to prevent unauthorized access. The third security is debit card protection. Now, your Lendingclub debit card can be frozen or unfrozen instantly in the app, which, of course, is going to let you stop fraud the moment you suspect anything. You also have alerts and notifications. Push notifications or SMS alerts keep you informed of every purchases, transfers, or login attempts. This way you can quickly act if something looks suspicious. Lastly is zero liability policy. If fraudulent charges happen on your Lendingclub debit card, you're not held responsible as long as you report them promptly. But that's pretty much it for the video, guys. With these measures in place, Lendingclub ensures that your money stays secure, while of course giving you tools to act quickly if needed. And hope you liked this video. Hope you found it useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.